Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. If you haven't, create the focus you want to name. You need an iPhone running iOS 15 or later and the focus active or saved. Once done, choose the specific focus. Do not disturb, work, sleep, or a custom one. Make sure to tap the three dots or the name area. That opens the edit view where you can change the title. This first step gets you directly into the name field so you can set a clear, meaningful label. Now enter the actual name. Tap the name field and type exactly what you want displayed. You should pick a short, descriptive name so it reads on the lock screen and control center without truncation. Once you type the name, you can also change the icon and color to visually reinforce purpose. This matters because the visual cue helps you recognize which focus is active at a glance. Make sure to double-check spelling and capitalization before you leave the edit screen. Finish by tapping Done or Save so the name change persists. This writes the new label to your focus profile. Then activate the focus and confirm the name appears in Control Center and the lock screen as expected. If the name doesn't show immediately, make sure to toggle the focus off and on to force a refresh and restart the Settings app if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if changes fail to save, reboot the iPhone and retry. That clears temporary cache, preventing the name update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.